Generation 8 Camry Borla exhaust system that's catback. Now it is pretty expensive compared to deleting a muffler or a resonator, but trust me when I tell you it sounds way better to get another exhaust than just to delete shit off your exhaust. Now the most important thing that you need to do is have either headphones on or have your phone really close to your ears, because just the speaker is not gonna do the exhaust any justice. Now I'm gonna try to show y'all as many clips as possible, but let's just get into it. Alright, so this is gonna be let's see how like not loud it is. Oh shit. So this is what basically is gonna sound like after you do get the exhaust. Now you might have to put your headphones on or put your phone right next to your ear to really hear this shit. But that shit not even bad, to be honest. And the best thing about it is like it doesn't sound ugly. Like if you remove the whole exhaust or you remove the resonator, a muffler, then it's gonna sound mad ugly. But